So that's when you go that one, if you straight that there, that's from that's the Melbourne City, guys. Ayan. If you straight ahead, that's St. Kilda. Kita niyo yung dagat. There. There. Ayan. And kitang-kita yung dagat pag pababa na tayo ng bridge. Ayan na nga guys. At nakababa na tayo ng Westgate Bridge. So diretso pa rin tayo sa dulo ng city, guys.